मैं ऐसा नहीं बता रहा हूँ, मैं फैक्ट बता रहा हूँ। क्या रहता है, डोमिनेंट रहते हैं कि भाई हालांकि गलती रही तो भी हम क्या करते हैं, हम सही। तो आपको अच्छाई से गुजरना है, तो कैसा गुजर सकते हैं मैं आपको बताता हूँ। स्पीक अप, जो भी चीज है आप लोग बात करिए। अक्सर क्या होता है, आप लोग बर्दाश्त कर लेते हैं। मैं ऐसा नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि आप बर्दाश्त मत करो, बर्दाश्त करिए, पर कोई भी है, आपके 5-6 सहेली है या 6-7 फ्रेंड्स है, उनके सामने आप बात करिए। देखिए कुछ अल्लाह ना करे कुछ ऐसी बात हुई तो आप अपने क्लोज फ्रेंड से बात करिए। जब आप स्पीक अप नहीं करते हो ना तो लोग को एडवांटेज उठाते हैं। आप समझ रहे हैं मेरी बात? एज ए गर्ल मैं आपको एक ऐसे भाई के नाते बता रहा हूँ, ठीक है? आप लोग को क्या करना चाहिए, बात करिए, आप लोग स्पीक करिए। कोई भी चीज है, देखिए ये हुआ, अगर देखिए अक्सर क्या होता है, लड़कियां क्या करते हैं, तो अभी 4 लोग चलता है। आपके खास ग्रुप बनाइए, 7, 8, 9, 10 ये ग्रुप्स रखिए आप लोग, 8 लड़की, 7 लड़की, 6 लड़की। कोई भी बात है तो आप तो क्या होगा, दूसरा जो लोग हैं वो उनको, अरे भाई ये गैंग है, इसमें कुछ भी बात हुई तो ये लोग रिवील कर देते हैं। अक्सर क्या करते हैं, लड़की बात नहीं करते तो उसमें बात, ठीक है, ये ज़हन में रखिए आप लोग। और दूसरी बात, टीम अप, अक्सर टीम में रहिए, ठीक है। और तीसरी बात, आप अपने आप को देखिए, लुक अप फॉर योरसेल्फ। कोई भी चीज को ऐसे लाइट मत लीजिए, चलता है भाई, ठीक है, इस्लाम के दायरे में। और मेन चीज क्या होती है, मैं आपको अब क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा। नाउ I've spoken, this is just for your knowledge. If you want to take it, please accept it. If not, up to you. Now, I want you girls, whoever, 3-4 girls, can you please come here and you have to talk something about women. Can you, anyone, please fast? Yes. Very good. Give a round of appreciation to a person here. Yeah. So, as a girl, you have to take some photos. Yeah. Can we take video? Is it clear? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now, listen with me. Mehroz Jahan is there. She is in degree final year. First of all, give a round of appreciation. Girl, you know, so many girls are there, but she stood here. Okay. Now, you please tell me, what do you want to become? How do you feel being as a girl? Please.
I want to become an example for others, first of all. And I want to make my parents proud of me. I wanted them to feel proud whenever they watch me. They should feel that my daughter was like, she's different from others. She can do whatever they dream for them. That as a woman, first of all, Allah Ta'ala मतलब माँ के कदमों के नीचे अल्लाह ताला ने जन्नत रखी है, यही सबसे बड़ी बात है।
देखिए माँ है, बेटी है, बहू है, एक सास है, काफी चीजें हैं। लेडी देखिए एक औरत की इतनी अच्छा मुकाम है, आप लोग उसको पॉजिटिवली यूज करें, ठीक है? ओके। और आपको कैसा लगा कल का वुमेन डे, आप लोग कैसा मनाए? ओह वेरी गुड, ओके ठीक है। और कुछ आप मैसेज देना चाहेंगे आपके छोटे जो बहन है या आपकी कौम है, या कुछ मैसेज देना चाहेंगे आप?
कि यही मतलब लड़कियां अक्सर डर जाती हैं कुछ बोलने से,
Exactly.
ऐसा सामने आने से भी डर जाती है कि हम लोग कुछ गलत बोल देंगे, सब कुछ हंसेंगे। मतलब अगर ऐसे ही बोलते रहेंगे तो हमारा डर निकलेगा। वी कैन स्पीक अप, वी कैन इम्प्रूव आवर इंग्लिश ऑल्सो, वी कैन मतलब जो स्पीकर बन सकते हैं हम लोग ऐसे ट्राई कर करके, तो वो डरना नहीं चाहिए, आगे सामने से कुछ बोलना चाहिए। हम गलत भी हो, ट्राई करना चाहिए।
Fantastic. You please understand, she's also among you. She's got a confidence. What she need to say is that whatever happens, we've got to speak up. In fact, 10 minutes before what I've spoken, she's just talking same thing. That's very nice of you. Take an example, because see, only English is not everything. English आप अंग्रेज भी रहो, आपके पास अखलाक नहीं रहे तो नो कोई फायदा नहीं। तो मैं आपको ये कह रहा हूँ, take an example. Okay, that's very nice of you. We wish you all the best. Give a round of appreciation. Then, mashallah, please understand. Give a round of appreciation to us. आप देख सकते हैं confidence. बोलिए। Okay.
marriage, now again I am continuing my degree. So
Okay.
I know the value of education day by day. It's increasing. Education is not only important to the boys, it's also important to all the girls. Don't feel we are a girl and we should educate. If we are educated, then our kids also educate, then the whole country will be educated.
Fantastic. You please understand. Now, she's married. She is thankful to her husband. Am I correct? Because of him, she has come here. That means the notion, जो सोच रहती है लोग की कि भाई ऐसा नहीं होता, ऐसा नहीं होता, ऐसा नहीं, ये बिल्कुल होता है. आप देख सकते हैं. What she mean to say? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, she is blessed with two boys, two girls जो भी. One boy, one girl. ठीक है? तो बोलने का मतलब ये, उसके बावजूद भी ये बता रहे हैं. Very nice हादिया. और कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप?
I always wanted to do something in my life, and that has stopped because of some reasons. But I haven't stopped myself. I still continue. After getting married, I have kids. And then again, I'm studying because I want my children to be studied well. And don't want that always. Don't want to think create that men are always
Supreme. Yeah.
supreme than the girls. Never think that girls are equally important with the boys.
Very nice. See.
Move forward.
Please. Very nice. What she mean to say? अपने आप को इंफीरियर मत सोचिए. आप अल्लाह ताला, हाँ इतना है. देखिए जो अल्लाह ताला का निजाम है आप उसको इनकार नहीं कर सकते. जो है सो है. ठीक है भाई. इसके अलावा जो whatever she had spoken, it's very true. What she mean to say is that education is important. Apart from that, she's quite helpful. Thankful to her husband because obviously his permission only you have come. Okay, and she's given importance to education. बहुत अच्छी बात कर रहे हैं हादिया. Very nice of you. Thank you very much. Yes, tell me about yesterday, and in fact, how you're, we heard you have done something great. Please tell me.
So yesterday was Women's Day. So the strongest and the woman who inspired me is my mom, and I think every girl should participate in every activities so as the one who, yes, that is truth that man is stronger than woman. That's nature, but a woman should also try to be stronger, and she should be capable to protect herself from one who is harming her or something. So, being a woman, she should be strong, kind, and be soft as well. So, because women is a very important person, because women is the one who generates and makes the world goes on, because she is a mother, a daughter, a sister, and a wife to his husband. So, being a mother and being a girl, being a sister, or anything that she has to play a variety of roles. For being that, she should be bold. I think for me, my father made me an independent girl. I am not saying like that. I can handle 5 or 6 guys at a time because of my activity. So I think yes, it is that we girls go with their father, their brother, but my father always tells me to go alone wherever you go. I travel from Hyderabad to Rohtak, that is another state in Haryana. I travel Delhi, I travel Rohtak without any support, without any support, no men, no female, no friends, nothing. I go alone because that my father made me capable of being so bold. And every time, that is not that I am only bold, I am a kind person too. You can see, I handle every situation as it is. I be kind to people who is kind to me. I be like straightforward to people. So a girl should be aware how to react with the person who is acting with them. We should know that Allah Ta'ala has given a third eye to a woman. Okay, so we can see how a man is looking at us or how he is behaving. After having a conversation, we can indicate what he wants with us. He is straightforward or he is doing something like something that he is in a wrong intentions or something. So we should notice that, girls, because today's world